Hello again, grade 12s. The question we're dealing with now is from your quiz that you have submitted already. It was a double angle formula type question. It was 1/8 sine 8x. With this type of question, we needed to be able to identify that we're dealing with the double angle here. So the first thing that you'd have to do is rewrite it as 1/8 sine 2 multiplied by 4x. Okay, so that was your first step there. Now, what I usually say, and you don't have to do this, is let your 4x equal to theta. Right. Now, once I've done that, where I see 4x, I'm going to substitute in theta to make your life simpler, right? So now you have 2 theta. In this form, it's easier to see and identify the double angle. We can now expand it, and you're going to have 1/8 multiplied by 2 sine theta cos theta. Right. So remember, initially we had actually substituted theta in place of 4x. I'm going to go back and plug them in here. Okay, so it's now sine 4x cos 4x. The next step would be now to deal with the sine 4x. We're going to do the same thing that we did previously. So this becomes sine 2 multiplied by 2x. The cos 4x, we're not going to deal with that. We're not going to touch that one because this looks like what your answer required. Okay. Now, again, you don't have to do this, but I do it to make my life simpler. I'm going to say let beta equal to 2x. Right. Now, where I see 2x, I will now be plugging in beta. Right. It's easy to see the double angle here. Again, we expand the double angle and we get 2 sine beta cos beta. Not forgetting your cos 4x here. Okay. Now I'm going to go back and simplify this. I'm left with a half. Plugging in the 2x back into the question, I get sine 2x cos 2x cos 4x. Okay. We're getting closer to the answer that they required from you. Now, the last step is dealing with this part here. Okay. Half 2 sine x cos x. You still have your cos 2x and your cos 4x. Right. What happens here? This simplifies and we're just left with sine x cos x cos 2x cos 4x. Like I mentioned, you don't have to do the substituting in of the beta and the theta. If you can see the thing straight away, the double angle formula straight away. Okay, so if you were to go back and look at our working here, what you would have in your working is the steps I'm going to highlight now. You would have that, okay? Then you would, the next step would be this part here. Okay. This part. And the remaining parts. Okay, so I just included those other parts, the beta and the theta section, to make it care.